Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about UP-PCS English notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. So let's do the unpacking of this parcel. So as you can see friends, there are 11 books. Let's see which are all the subjects.
So first subject we have is GS paper 1, volume 1, Art and Culture and Ancient History of India and UP, Geography of UP. As you can see here we have a proper index. Next book we have is GS paper 1, volume 2, Modern History of India and UP, Post-Independent India and World History. As you can see there is a proper index of modern history. GS paper 1, volume 3, Indian and World Geography. You can see there is a proper index. Here we have is GS paper 1, volume 4, Medieval History and Indian Society. All of the books we have a proper index. Here we have is GS paper 2, volume 1, Indian Polity. Here is also a proper index. We have is GS paper 2, volume 2, International Relations and Governance. There is an index over here. So guys, next book we have is GS paper 3, volume 1, and that is Agricultural Environment and Disaster Management. As you can see here also we have a proper index. Here we have is GS paper 3, volume 2, Indian and UP Economy. Here we have a proper index. GS paper 3, volume 3, that is Internal Security and Science and Technology. Inside this we have a proper index. Next we have is GS paper 4, volume 1, Ethics, Integrity, Aptitude and Related Case Studies. This we have is the proper index. Next we have is GS paper 4, volume 2, Essay Writing. Proper index for the essay topic.
So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And for further details, you can visit our website. Link is being provided in the description below.